Slow draining drains or toilets can seriously mess up your day and your whole house vibe, so knowing how to fix them fast is clutch. Okay, so first off, don't just toss anything down the toilet or drain that's not meant to go there. Like wipes, paper towels, or hair, those bad boys clog up your pipes real quick. Next, grab some enzyme additives. They're like little drain ninjas that break down organic gunk naturally without harsh chemicals. If your drain still feels slow, try using a plunger or a drain snake to clear out any stubborn clogs. Another thing is to pour boiling water down the drain now, and then to melt away grease and soap buildup. Also, avoid pouring cooking oil or grease down the sink because it solidifies and blocks stuff. Keep your drain covers clean and free of hair or debris by giving them a quick wipe regularly. And if you notice your toilet is slow to flush, sometimes just tightening or adjusting the flapper inside the tank can help it work better. Lastly, if all else fails, don't hesitate to call a pro before the problem gets out of hand and causes bigger damage. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow drains or toilets is flushing non-degradable items like wipes or feminine products, which just cause clogs that don't break down easily. Fix this by sticking to toilet paper only. Another common issue is ignoring buildup in the pipes from grease, soap, scum, or hair, so using enzyme additives regularly and hot water helps keep things moving smoothly. The third is trying to fix clogs with harsh chemical drain cleaners that can harm pipes and the environment. Instead, opt for natural enzyme treatments or manual tools like plungers and drain snakes. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching or worrying about quality. Plus, it's a great place for contractors to connect with real customers who need their skills and get consistent work.